I have a computer science background. I have been with the Kroger company for 18 years. Kroger joined the ZigBee Alliance in 2008 as part of their R&D program to create and innovate in the consumer space. I've been with ZigBee since 2008. I have worked my way through the organization and am currently chairman of the board. So the panel was a really great discussion. I think what we all came to the conclusion of is that the consumer wants interoperable devices and that the organizations really should work together. And it was nice sitting next to the representative from Thread, and we agree on a lot of things. In fact, Thread and ZigBee have an alliance. So we are meeting the customer demands to make things more interoperable. So the enterprises are working with the consumers to develop and deliver a product that they want. We have a lot of organizations that I've seen that will create technology or innovation, and they have a challenge getting it to the end consumer. My philosophy has always been innovation without execution is really just a hobby. So it's nice to see these folks getting out, talking to the consumer, talking to other organizations, and understanding that it can't be a walled garden anymore. It really does need to be an ecosystem that can be deployed throughout the home, regardless of who your competitors may be. So the ZigBee Alliance has been working with other organizations and our member companies to understand what the consumer wants, whether it's consumer or commercial, and deliver, hopefully, solutions that work on a common platform, a single application, as you will. So ZigBee itself, we've consolidated almost all of our previous profiles into the new ZigBee 3.0. So we're driving interoperability within ourselves. We also have alliances with folks like Thread, who will use some of our solutions and we'll use some of their IP stack to further drive interoperability. And others that were announced recently, folks like InOcean, where now we can do batteryless solutions to the home through the single application, which ZigBee's been really driving. So who in the business should take ownership and drive it? Well, I think that is a complete vertical. You need to have management above you who really understand the vision. What is your company doing and why are they doing it? You have to have the technology folks who can come up with the idea, come up with a solution, build a solution, test a solution, and then work with the merchandising and marketing folks to see what the customer really wants and hopefully hit the mark and deliver what they need. So the best part about the Internet of Things this week, it's been great to meet some new folks. This has been a fairly international event, and I've exposed a few people to ZigBee, had a lot of good conversations, ran into some old friends, which has been great, seeing how they're doing. But ultimately, it's building a relationship with some of the new companies that are coming up and educating them, and hopefully we'll see them as members soon.